Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the Holidu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below, set your destination, check-in, check-out date and the number of guests. Then click on the button search, and after that, if you want to narrow down your search further, then click on the filters button below the search bar. At the top, that's the third one, and here you can apply several features or filters according to several features such as the type of accommodation, vacation house, villa, vacation apartment, and so on. Then you can set the price per night on this slide. Then the amenities can be selected such as pool, pets allowed, internet, balcony or terrace, TV, and so on. Then you can set the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Then you can set these popular right now filters, and after selecting the relevant ones, click on the apply button to check out the relevant results, and you will be able to find them here. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.